How to send money internationally using Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to send money abroad quickly and at low fees, well, in this video, I'll walk you through how to send money internationally using the Wise app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the send money button, which can be seen at the top, to start the international money transfer process. Now here, you can simply choose the currency that you are sending from, and after that you can simply choose the currency that you are sending to. And now here, once you're done doing that, Voice will show you the real exchange rate with no hidden makeups. And here, after that, you just have to enter how much that you want to send money to and how much the recipient should receive. And Voice will automatically calculate the fees and conversion. So here, simply choose a recipient from your saved list, and after that just tap on add renew recipient, and you will need the full name and either the bank account details or email address depending on the destination country. And after that you just have to choose how you'd like to pay for the transfer, and Wise Bank supports transfers, debit cards, credit cards and more depending on your country. And once you're done with all that, you just have to review all the details, the amount, exchange rate, fees, and the recipient info. And if everything looks good, you can just tap on confirm and send. And you now see the estimated arrival time, and Voice will notify you by email or push notification once the money has been delivered. And that's it. That's how you can send money internationally using Wise. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.